Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to design a clamping lever. So a clamping lever is a mechanical component used to securely fasten or hold an object in place by applying pressure. It typically allows for quick adjustment without need for any additional tools. Now what you're looking at here is the SolidWorks model that we will be ending up with. So just to make something clear, normally this clamping lever comes in three pieces: the bottom, the lever, and then the ball, and then you actually assemble them. But for the sake of the exercise, we will actually just make it one piece, so you will get to discover some features of how to create it and how to use these kind of features, and we can actually make it as an assembly in a future video if you want to. Without further ado, let's jump into the design. So let's go to new, click on part, and then click OK. Make sure that the units are set up correctly and go to front plane. Now let's start sketching. Let's start from here, go all the way up, all the way down. As usual, just create a shape that is close to that, and then we will be adding dimensions. So the overall height should be 33. Great. And then the radius or the diameter should be 10. The inner diameter should be 3.5. And then this dimension here should be 5. The angle should be 20. And now we have this height to add in. It should be 12. And then we have an angle, the last one, which is 60. Alright, once you're done with that, go to Feature, Revolve Boss, click on this line, and you should get this kind of shape. Alright, now let's go to this sketch and make it visible. The reason why we made it visible because we wanted to create a plan here. So click on this line and go to Reference, go to Plan. So you should get a plan like that. If you want to get a parallel plan, just click on the surface and you will get a parallel plan like that. Alright, then click OK. And let's go to this plan that we have just created and draw a circle. Now what we're designing right now is actually the lever. All right, let's add in a dimension. It should be 8. Just make sure that it's in the middle of this cone. So let's draw a center line from here to here and check this point and the center line and make it midpoint. So then you will get a closed loop and a black sketch. Once you're done, click OK and then go to Feature. Now let's extrude it by 62 on one direction, and the second direction should be 4, just to close it from this side. Alright, once you're good, click OK. And let's actually go and hide this. Once you hide the sketch, let's go and create the ball on the top. So click on the front plane again and create a half sphere. So to create a half sphere, you just go ahead and create one full sphere, right? And then create a vertical line. Make it vertical to this line. And then make it coincident. And then create a center line or a normal line. And then let's go to dimension. The dimension of our ball should be 20 in diameter. And then let's trim it. Once you're good, go to Feature, go to Revolve Boss, and you should get something that looks like that. Alright. Now we might want to do something is separate this ball from the whole body so we can color it differently. Actually, we can do that, but it's better to keep it as two separate bodies. Alright, to make it a separate body, go to it and uncheck this merge box, and then you should get two separate bodies. The way you can check it is here. So you can see here that you have this boss, extruded boss, and then you have this revolve. You can actually separate this one as well if you want to, but we'll be applying the same material, so it wouldn't be needed. Alright, now let's go ahead and add in fillets here and here. Make the fillets just 2. So you should get something that looks like that. Now let's go ahead and create the thread. Select this edge and go to Hole Wizard and then go to Thread. You will get this pop-up. Just ignore it. Now let's select the thread that we want to. It's an M8 actually, and the pitch is 125. Metric, of course. The depth or the height should be 12. So let's make it 12. And then you should have an offset. Change direction. Since we offset it by 1, let's make it 13. Alright, should be good to go. Then click OK. So you should get your thread that looks exactly like that. Now let's hide this plan. Go to plain white and let's apply material. Go to appearance, go to plastic. This is high gloss plastic. Let's make it gray. Click OK, and this is actually a casted, sometimes a casted aluminum or a metal. So let's go to appearance again. Let's go to metal. Let's go to aluminum. Let's make it sandblasted aluminum. Alright, so you should get something that looks like that. That was our tutorial. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.